Could this be one of the best money-making opportunities that I've been involved with? For a good number of years now, coming up for 8 years, I've been a member with an investment club, a small investment club that not many people have heard about, but they go and research and invest in young, early stage and startup companies, very much like the dragons on Dragon's Den or the sharks on Shark Tank. Sort of investments you wouldn't get if you were just on your own trying to invest in companies like that. Typically you'd need to be a high net worth investor. These type of investments are called angel investments or venture capital investments. So normally you'd need 100,000, maybe 200,000 pounds or dollars to make an investment in a small company that has that potential. But thanks to the club, the investment club I'm with, and I'll give you more details of that in just a moment, I managed to get a private investment in a company called Happy Drinks Company, and they are having an absolutely fantastic time. They've just launched their new brand, Skinny Drinks, and they were in Costco at Watford, and they had 4 of their drinks available. Let me just read to you what one of the founders, Steve Wilkinson, said as a founder at Happy Drinks Company. He said, "I felt nervous and a lot of pressure for Skinny at Costco Wholesale in Watford just before Christmas. Watford is my hometown, so if this didn't go well, I'd have felt embarrassed in all honesty. My friends and family absolutely adore the drinks, but how would it stand up to the brutal criticism of the general public on a large scale? No fear needed, absolutely smashed it. We sold 25,000 cans in 4 days and just that one store, beating set sales targets by a whopping 348%. Record breaking for a Costco debut, I'm told. The feedback was phenomenal, with lots of people surprised at just how good this is. It was great being on my home line and witnessing this firsthand. I still have a spring in my step now. We are the only mixer in the world that delivers such a natural sugar-like taste, but with 0 calories and 0 chemicals. Congratulations to all the team at Happy Drinks Company, and thank you, Watford. We'll be back very soon." So it's a really positive sales for Happy Drinks Company with their new brand Skinny Drinks. But I just want to give you a bit more background to the club that I'm with, so if you can have a chance to get involved in businesses just like this. Okay, so the club is called VC Crowd. It's a membership club. It's by invitation only. There's a link in the description. It'll take you through to a website where I explain more about the club so you can get involved. But it's essentially really, really simple. As a member, and you can join from anywhere in the world, you pay a membership fee. So same as you would if you were joining a golf club or a gym club, you pay your membership fee. That then gives you benefits of being a club member. And one of the key benefits is that every month you'll receive shares in businesses that they've investigated and that they've invested in, and that the value of those shares will be worth up to the same value of your membership subscription. So you pay your membership fee, you get shares every month in businesses just like Happy Drinks Company. You don't need to know a thing about investing. You can just treat it like a savings plan, so treat your monthly subscription as membership of the club like a savings plan, because every month you're getting shares, like I've said, up to the same value of your subscription. You can also, if you want to buy extra shares in a particular company, you can do that in the trading section. So VC Crowd, I'm logged in my back office here. I've been a member for almost 8 years now. We can click into the private section here and it brings us through to the trading, and here you can see Happy Drinks Company plus some of the other companies that are available on the secondary market. This is a member to member only market. It's not a publicly accessible market, but this is where members can buy and sell shares between themselves. So if we just have a look at Happy Drinks as an example, you can see that I've currently got 41,493 shares. They're worth £1.50 each, and we can see here there are some bid buy offers, so people willing to buy, and sell ask offers. So at the moment there's someone willing to sell 630 at 85 pence each, which is a substantial discount from the actual value of £1.50. So I might pick up those later if I can get some more funds into my account. But you can see people have put offers to buy as well. So someone's willing to buy 400 at 65.1 pence, someone's willing to buy 500 at 65 pence, and so on. But Happy Drinks, they are absolutely storming. Their factory is huge. Let me go and show you the factory. Actually, just before I show you the factory, let's have a look at their website for their Skinny brand. They've also got Happy Soda. They also own a branding with emoji, which could be massive for some children's drinks that are just about to launch. They've got cans that they're canning for Marks and Spencer's, for Lidl. So things are really going fast for them. This year is the inflection point. Their sales are taking off. But yeah, really nice, smart looking website. And on Trustpilot, you can see 1,696 reviews, scoring 4.7. So people do love their drinks. 0 calories, 0 nasties in them. So that is really good. Let me go and show you the factory. Okay, so we're on Google Earth. Their factory is up in Liverpool. They're committed to sustainability. They've ordered some Tesla trucks, but we can see here, this is their factory, and there is the Skinny Drinks Group logo on the outside of the building, and it's a huge place. Let's just go down the side of the factory here. So it's, 2 great big warehouses, and we come round to the back, unit 4 there, and there's the car park at the back, expanding fast, lots of staff, huge contracts being in there. So it's definitely not too late to get shares in Happy Drinks Company. And yeah, so if you become a member with VC Crowd, like I said, a link in the description. It's just £78 a month. There is a £200 a month option, which is well worth going for, because at the moment, if you join and remain a member for 4 months consecutively, then they will give you an extra 50% value bonus of shares in a company called Vism Technologies, which are doing roller coaster camera rides, and they're now listed on the stock market, and you get a 50% bonus on those. So essentially, after the first 4 months, you're going to be at least 40% in profit, assuming share prices don't collapse and so on. If they just stay where they are, you could be in more. If the prices have gone up, then obviously you could be in more. But on a like-for-like basis right now, if you become a member, pay for 4 months, then you should be around about 40 to 45% profit after the time of those 4 months. It'll give you a good chance to experience the club. We've got lots of webinars where you get to hear from the CEOs and founders of all the different companies that the club has invested in, and really good inside information. So we've got spotlight on Happy Drinks, spotlight on Tex Group, spotlight, portfolio update, Rockstar, premium pet food, dog food, Simply Pay Me, really good companies that the club has invested in. But like I said, you don't need to worry about all that. If you just want to be a simple passive investor, but you want to get in early on these companies, let me give you, before we finish this video, just one quick example on the Happy Drinks. Happy Drinks now at £1.50 is valued at £60 million. Now, there is a company called Fever Tree. That was the one mentioned by the co-founder there, Steve Wilkinson, saying that people were dropping their Fever Tree and picking up Skinny Tonic. Fever Tree is currently a £1.3 billion company. And at the moment, Skinny Tonic, or the Happy Drinks rather, the Skinny Tonic brand, is worth just £60 million. So if Skinny Tonic and Happy Drinks becomes worth the 1.3 billion, so let's just put this in, that's million, that's billion, and at the moment it's worth 60 million, 123, 123, then we're looking at a 21-fold increase from the share price at the moment. Now at the moment, so 21.66, let's just put that to one side. I just want to show you, this is just for the numbers, this is not to show off, but in my own Happy Drinks Company shareholding now is worth £62,000. So if I get another 21-fold increase from that, by, what did I say, I've got £62,000. So by £62,000, then I'm potentially looking at a £1.3 million profit from my ownership of shares in Happy Drinks Company. Now this has taken a few years at this point, about 3 or 4 years, and give it another 3 or 4 years, so we are talking 6-7 year view. But hey, if you can turn a small, relatively small investment into a 1.3 million life-changing amount, and it takes 7 years, I think that's worth it. And it doesn't matter as well with all these other early stage companies. You only need one big winner and you've totally changed your life. So that's why I'm in VC Crowd. That's why I absolutely love it. Like I said, I've been there now as a member with the club, coming on for 8 years. Really enjoy the camaraderie, the community, and hearing pretty much weekly updates from the different companies. and how the club is growing. So I do welcome you to come and join the club as well. My invitation link in the description. If you've got any questions, put them on the comments below. I will do my best to answer those. I wish you all the best. Do subscribe to the channel if you want more tips and updates like this, how to put your money to work in genuine, legitimate opportunities. I'll be only too glad to have you as a subscriber on the channel, and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.